In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to craft high converting SEO friendly product descriptions. Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to craft high converting SEO friendly product descriptions step by step. You will see real before and after examples, learn how to create effective prompts, and discover how A/B testing can skyrocket your sales. So let's get into the video. So basically, we are going to use the method of prompt engineering for creating high quality product description for your Shopify store. Okay, so for doing that, first you have to create a prompt. Okay, so this is a prompt that you have created, which will help you to leverage the maximum out of the ChatGPT or similar LLMs. Okay, so this is how you can do that. Okay, so for example, I'm having one product like this. So normally, how people used to write the product description for using ChatGPT is like we'll just go to ChatGPT and we'll just ask ChatGPT to write a product description for my product. Okay, you can see that like it just write something which is not relevant, even it won't be more relevant to our product. Okay, so what you can do is you can use the method of prompt engineering for doing this much more better. Okay, so here I have just created a prompt which will help you to write a good product description for your Shopify store. Okay, so we can start like this. So this is the prompt what I'm going to use in ChatGPT for writing good product description or the SEO friendly product description. Okay, so you can just like make it like you are an expert e-commerce writer, write a SEO optimized product description for the following product. Okay, and we have to mention the product name, and we can like mention the product category, and we can also mention the product audience. Okay, what type of audience we need to target, and after that we can just list the features. Okay, what are the features or the unique features of your product, and after that you can mention the USPs or the unique selling points of your product, and after that you can just mention about the benefits for the customers, and you can also include the SEO keywords, and you can also add the tone for writing, and you can also mention the length of words or how many words you need for this description. Okay, so this is how you can just create a prompt and you can just use that. Okay, so here I had just done like this, and it's just split out a word, and which won't be more relevant for my product even, right? So what we can do is you can just use this method or this structure of prompting for creating much more better product descriptions. Okay, so I have just created one example for this one. So this is the product what I just used, and if you can see that this is the product I just asked ChatGPT to write a product description for my product and the product name, and it just split out all the unwanted information or which is not even relevant to my product. Okay, so in this case what I'm going to use, I have just created the prompt using the structure what I have just shown you, and I'm just going to use this prompt in ChatGPT. Okay, now we just got much more better product description. Okay, you can see that like it mentioned everything what we have mentioned in the prompt. Okay, and it is informed, it just include in a better way with all the informations. Like you can see that like it mentioned about the features, and it mentioned about the USPs, it mentioned about the like all those details. Okay, all those information what we asked to do. Okay, so by using ChatGPT or similar LLMs, you can just try to create good product description for your Shopify store. Okay, once you are done, what you can do, you can just copy this one and paste it in your Shopify description. Okay, you can just modify certain things like according to your requirement. You can just modify the length of the words, and if you want to like change the tone, you can just change that, and if you want to like include more target audience, you can also do like that. Okay, so this is how you can create SEO friendly good product description for your e-commerce store. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.